It has downpipes, so it is loud. Yeah, it's loud as hell. This thing is ferocious. It's wide body. It's the only way to have a Urus. Guys, we are in a Urus that closely resembles mine on the interior, but this one has stars in the roof, as you can see. We're gonna call this the Dandy Urus because it belongs to a good buddy of ours, Dandy. He has a company that sells hats, makes custom hats, and he's doing quite well for himself. He's splurging, and he's doing this Urus build right here. So this Urus just got the full 1016 Industries carbon fiber body kit package on there, and it also got a custom set of 24-inch wheels. We stanced it up real nice, and we ended up wrapping it in satin pearl white. This car was a black color originally. He was gonna leave it black, but he opted to do satin pearl white just to change it up. It looks really, really nice in satin pearl white with a lot of carbon fiber and black all over it. And like I said, stands and wheel offset is the biggest thing. It's not only about the wide body kit, that's like 50% of it. It's really the stance what makes it so much better. If you do the wrong stance and you do a wide body kit, you're wasting all your money. It's not gonna look right. You should have just left it regular body. So it is loud. I'm gonna open kind of the back window here so you guys could understand. There's no mics outside. That's like 1200 RPM. That's pretty wild. Why not? I don't think he lives in LA, so he could probably pull it off over there, but I can't do this in LA. It's loud, man. But this thing is driving really nice. It looks amazing now, and it's going to, like I said, Dandy hats. So congratulations, you got a sick Urus.
No. Mira, güey.
House is
No,
this
this
on
one-
top of the rocker panel.
Vic, if you check it out, this one is exactly.
Double tap.
No, güey, mira, güey.
It's wrong.
Mira esta, ¿cómo va a decir wrong? Mira,
It's wrong.
mira debajo, ¿cómo va a ser
It's
wrong?
wrong. Look at this. It's
No,
hitting
Vic,
you.
¿cómo tú me vas a
It's
decir? How you can tell me
that?
that? Look at this, is going like that. See? Exactly on the edge right here. And this will come like this.
Okay. Why is this over the line?
This one is less. Before was more over because over here got an extra piece.
Okay.
Okay? Para, si lo que tú quieras, güey. Put the car down. Go up. Go up. And now, push the two buttons.
I know how to do it.
All the time I have to pray to you how to do the things. Jesus Christ.
This is the first car in the United States, first Cullinan Series 2, that is getting a kit, and on top of it, it's going to be wide bodies. So 1016 Industries and RDB, again, together, We are making things happen really fast. We have 2 more of these Cullinans just standing by this kit. But here you see the rear bumper. This is 3D printed again, guys. So this was in 3 pieces. It was 3D printed and then it was meshed together so we could test it and they could do the mold based off of this thing. Really, this shape is the biggest difference on the rear end of this car. So you have this bigger exhaust tip surround area. We don't have any of the wings on right now. But also we are testing. Don't worry about it. Give me this. All right, so this is a completely 3D printed part right here, and it's a solid block. This at least weighs 15 pounds minimum, this little piece. But it's solid block of 3D print, and this goes here. So as you see, that's gonna be the continuation of the wide body. This is the original older one. It still fits the car, so it's pretty cool. But we're doing all the little modifications to make sure everything fits right. And we're almost there. So as you can see, pretty good fitment. And Luis is gonna chop it up some more because he's a perfectionist, but he's not at the same time. So I don't know how that works, but yeah. That's not even muscle. It's just
Only
fat.
one side.
Only one side works. The other side doesn't work.
No, one side is working, the other not for work.
Kind of like your brain.
Like
one
your brain,
side
it's like one side works now.
It's a black badge carbon kit, so it's gonna have black badge carbon all over as well. But yeah, let's get to work.
Oh, that's what I like to work here. Because your brain is working perfectly. Big.
Just go straight back. You'll die. Can I do it?
Yeah,
Funny.
yeah.
Alright guys, we have a Porsche here. This Porsche needs a lot of work. It smokes really bad. You guys will see it right now. So it's misfiring, and also, who knows? We gotta take do an inspection and see what's going on. Look how bad this thing smokes. It's gonna kill me. It's gonna get mad. It's not the time, bro. They're trying to sell it $100,000 job.
Started.
I'm listening.
Oh my god. So bad. Oh, that engine is blown.
I'm onto the wrong end.
Not that bad.
The car's still working.
We just killed the car.
Yeah, I think they should. We can't take this car inside.
Yeah, this car can't go inside until the engine's out.
Oh, Legoland's expensive now. It's up there.
Don't get so close, back up.
Oh, you want? What are we doing on this car? I forgot. Hold on, wait.
We're doing wheels, lowering, and blackout.
That's it. Mano said it already. We're done. All right, you guys. As soon as you're gonna talk, there's noise everywhere. Now there's a phone call. Think she was already backing up here. Got this Mercedes. Ah, shit. No. We have this Mercedes GLB here. We're gonna do. We're putting 22-inch wheels on this thing. Shiny black wheels. You guys, it looks pretty good. We're also gonna do a lowering kit on this car to give it that nice, correct stance. We're gonna also do a blackout. There's a lot of chrome and silver on this thing everywhere. We're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna do that shiny black. Here we go. Looks good. Simple. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna look really good when it's done. Customer chose these, yeah. Customer chose this, and he actually chose the right wheels for this car, so it's gonna be really nice. 22s.